Hello, today we're going to show you how you can do the Pressbooks LTI 1.3 integration with Moodle. This will consist of two parts. The first part will be on Moodle and the second part will be on Pressbooks, and we'll show you how you should do both today. So in Moodle, which is the first part, coming onto the left-hand side, you will see a button that says Site Administration. Upon clicking on that, you're going to click on Plugins, head down, and you're going to click on Manage Tools. In Manage Tools, you're going to add a tool manually. So you can click on this button that says Configure a tool manually. And coming onto here, you're going to see a bunch of blank spaces that you're going to have to fill. In our documentation, the link to which will be in the description, you will see that there are a bunch of values that you're going to have to copy and paste. So I will do that and we'll be back so that we can finish the configuration. So now I have populated all of the information by copying and pasting from our documentation, and there are a couple of other parts that we need to fill out. So wherever it says Pressbooks domain with the square brackets around it, that is the URL of your Pressbooks instance. So today in this example, we're using the Pressbooks Integrations Testing Network, but for you, that will be your institution's Pressbooks network. So I've copied integrations.pressbooks.network, and I'm going to paste it in wherever it says Pressbooks domain. And then up here, you'll see that it says, it will say LTI, you will want to choose LTI 1.3. And then the public key type that you want is RSA key. And then you're going to get this big box here. Where you will obtain this value is by going to your Pressbooks network, logging in, clicking on admin, and then going into network admin, and then going into integrations and going down to LTI 1.3 settings. This will give you your RSA public key, which you will want to copy. And you're going to paste that directly into the public key space on your Moodle. Heading further down, you're going to want to scroll down and click on services. From here, you're going to want to click use this service for grade sync and column management for the first option. And then for the second one, you want to choose use the service to retrieve members' information as per privacy settings. And then the last thing you want to do is enable tool settings as use this service. From here, what you can do is save changes. And now you'll see that the Pressbooks LTI connection has come in. So what you're going to do is click on this little button with the lists, and you're going to find the tool configuration details. This is now the value. These are the values that you'll now want to finish the configuration on Pressbooks. So go back to the LTI settings page that we were on the Pressbooks network. What you're going to do is above LTI 1.3 settings, you're going to click on LTI 1.3 consumers, and you're going to add new. From here, you're going to give it a name, and then you're going to copy and paste all of the different values that you had gotten in Moodle into here. So I've now populated my information by cross-referencing the tool configuration details I had from Moodle. If you want to know exactly which values fit in which place, you can see it on our documentation. And now once these fields are filled out, you can click Save Changes, and your Moodle to Pressbooks LTI 1.3 configuration should be complete. And you should be ready to use our other chapters in our guide to be able to upload Pressbooks content onto your Moodle.